Listen very carefully. Well, we have. Can you see the screen? Some of you tell me.
Yes.
Hello?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So we are going for today's topic, that is matrices, matrix singular, matrices plural. We have 20 periods allotted and 10 marks combinedly for chapter 3 and 4. Well, matrix, M-A-T-R-I-X, matrix. Matrix is a rectangular array. Array means actually arrangement. Array, technically we say array. Array means simply arrangement. Matrix is a rectangular arrangement of numbers, or a rectangular array of numbers arranged in rows and columns. Clear? Any question you can put in between, I will discuss. Matrix is a rectangular array of numbers, rectangular arrangement of numbers arranged in rows and columns. When I say row and column, we talk about the order of that. How many rows, how many columns. So the order of a matrix depends on the number of rows and number of columns. Remember, I always talk row first, not column. Always talk row first, row and column. Row, that means a matrix having m rows and n columns. Remember, first always row and column. M rows and n columns is said to have an order m by n. We read it m by n, written m into n, but we never read it m into n. We read it m by n. You know, the measurement of a room is a 24 by 12. It is written as into, but we read it by m by n. The order of a matrix having m rows and n columns is said to have an order m by n. So, for example, I arranged these few numbers in row-wise and column-wise. Can you tell me the order? It's of order 2 by 3 because there are 2 rows and 3 columns. And if you have 2 rows and 3 columns, there are 6 elements. If you have m rows and n columns, or if it is of order m by n, it will have mn elements. If it has 2 rows and 3 columns, there will be 6 elements. So this matrix has 6 elements because it has 2 rows and 3 columns. Which are the 2 rows? 2, 0, minus 5, I call row 1. And what is row 2? 7, 1, 6, I call row 2. Column, see, horizontal ones rows, don't get confused. Horizontal are rows and vertical columns. Which are the 3 columns? 2, 7 is the first column, I call C1. 0, 1 is the second column, I call C2. And minus 5, 6 is the third column, I call C3. So I have C1, C2, C3, 3 columns, and R1, R2, R3, 2 rows. Any confusion? Shall we proceed? We'll go for a general notation. For a matrix, usually we use capital letters ABC to denote a matrix and small letters to denote its elements. And for small letters, I can give suffixes. 2 suffixes will be given. First suffix to denote the position due to rows, and second suffix to denote its column. Suffixes are used to denote its respective row and column. Aij. When I say Aij, it is the element in the ith row. First suffix is I, second suffix is j. So it represents the element in ith row and jth column. If I say A23, it is the second row and third column. Or if I say A13, first row, third column. So Aij represents the element in ith row and jth column. Okay? Let's go for a general example or general notation. Say I have matrix A. When I say A11, first row, first element, actually it is the first column. first row, second element, first row I, the first element, first suffix will be 1. When I go for the second row, first suffix will be 2. Second suffix is representing column, 1, 2, 3, up to n. N columns are there. So we go for ith row. This is the ith row. AI1, AI2, etc. AIN. And last I have M rows, mth row, M1, M1, M2, etc. AMN. So I have row 1, row 2, and I have ith row, and when I have column, 1, column 2, etc. Jth column is here. I have M rows and N columns. This last is the mth row, and that we have nth column. Okay, in the suffix, the first letter denote the position due to row, second suffix denote its position due to column. Be careful, okay? I can even denote this in short, in bracket, this square bracket, Aij, where I, the first suffix, go from 1 to M, J, the second suffix, go from 1 to N. So I have M rows and N columns. Or even shortly I can say Aij outside M by N as a suffix for the whole bracket. Aij M by N means it is an M by N matrix. General element I did not Aij. General element I did not Aij. Okay. Write the orders of the following matrices. You can easily find rows means horizontal one, column means vertical one. And when I say order, first will be row, then column. Can some of you tell me the order of this matrix? Who will tell the order of this matrix? Can you see?
4 into 3.
There are how many rows? 4 rows. How many columns? 3 columns. The order is 4 by 3. We read it 4. We write it 4 into 3, but we read 4 by 3. Row always come first. Row by column. 4 by 3. What about this? There is only one row. One row. Column. There are 3 columns. It is not the number 701. First column, only one element, 7. Actually, there is only one row. Column, there are 3 columns. So it is 1 by 3. What about the third one? C. There is only one column, but there are 2 rows. So it will be 2 by 1. Okay? There may be only one row. There may be only one column. So it all depends on the given matrix. Suppose a matrix of 6 elements. Can you tell me the possible orders? You know, if it is a matrix of order M by N, there will be Mn elements. Now, if we have a matrix of 6 elements, what will be the order of the matrix?
Sir, 2 into 3.
Why not 2 by 3? We call it 2 by 3.
2 by 3.
Why not 2 by 3? Why not 3 by 2?
3 by 2. 1 by 6.
Well, very good. 2 by 3,
6
3
by
by
1.
2, 1 by 6, or 6 by 1. All these are possible orders. 3 by 2, 2 by 3, 1. All these are possible orders for 6. Okay? Well, let us construct a matrix of order 2 by 3. 2 by 3 matrix means we will be having 2 rows and 3 columns. Construct a matrix 2 by 3 matrix. Construct a 2 by 3 matrix. 2 by 3 matrix Aij, where Aij is given as I plus 3j by 2i plus j. Of course, if I have time, I would ask you to write in your book, but you can write slowly. Let us go for calculating. Matrix, let me call it A, 2 by 3, 2 rows and 3 columns. When I have 2 rows and 3 columns, the elements will be A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23. Now each element will be calculated according to the given formula Aij equal to I plus 3j by 2i plus j. A very common question asking bold also, sometimes even for 3 or even 4 marks also it will ask. You have to find out each element. A11. A11 you have to calculate according to this given formula for you. Aij is I plus 3j by 2i j. So A11 instead of I put 1 instead of j. So 1 plus 3 into 1 upon 2 into 1 plus 1. You calculate 1 plus 3, 4. 4 by 2 plus 1, 3, 4 by 3. So A11 is 4 by 3. Let us calculate all the elements. Now go for A12. You can even calculate before I bring out before you. I plus 3j. 1 plus 3 into 2 upon 2 into 1 plus 2. 3 to 6 plus 1, 7 by 4. 7 by 4. So A11, A12. Now A13. Like I equal to 1, j is equal to 3. A13. A13. 1 plus 3 into j. 3 into 3 by 2i plus j. 2 into 1 plus 3. 1 plus 3, 3 is 9 plus 1, 10 by 5. Let me keep positives. You can even keep that as 2 also. Here 2, 1. I is equal to 2 and j is equal to 1. So 2 plus 3 into 1 by 2 into 2 plus 1. That is 5 by 5. You can call it 1 also. A22. A22. I plus 3 into j by 2i plus j. That is 2 plus 3 into 2 by 2 into 2 plus 2. That is equal to 2 plus is 8 by 2 to 4 plus 2, 6. And A23, I plus, that is 2 plus 3 into 3 by 2 into 2 plus 3. That is 9 plus 2, 11 by 4 plus 3, 7. And hence we have the matrix A equal to 4 by 3, 7 by 4, 10 by 5, 102, 5 by 5, 101, 8 by 6, 104 by 3, and 11 by 7. Well, I may give a few questions for you to work out. You have to work today itself, don't wait for tomorrow. And let me present a few questions for you. If a matrix of 9 elements, what are the possible orders? Let us go very slowly, but don't pile up the work. The problems which I present today, you have to do it today itself. Remember, we have not covered too many topics, only very last topic. What is a matrix? What are rows and columns? What is the order and how to formate the elements given some formula? Okay, if a matrix of 12 elements, what are the possible orders? Write the orders of the following matrices. Don't tell me, you write in your book and send the report to me. Matrix A, matrix B, matrix C, matrix D, matrix E. You have to write the orders of this matrix. Proceed very slowly, very carefully, right? Slow and steady with the ways. Consider 3 by 3 matrix. Remember, now here I am giving the order 3 by 3 matrix Aij, where Aij equal to 2i minus j by 3. Construct a 3 by 3 matrix Aij, where Aij is mod. You know the modulus. Modulus of 2i minus 3j by 2. Remember, modulus of 2i minus 3j by 2. Calculate slowly and substitute in the 3 by 3 matrix. Construct a 3 by 4 matrix Aij, where Aij is I plus minus 1 raised to j minus 1 raised to j multiplied by j. Be careful about I plus minus 1 raised to j multiplied by j upon 2i plus j. Now construct a 4 by 3. Remember, it was 3 by 4. Now here it is 4 by 3 matrix Aij. 4 by 3 means 4 rows and 3 columns. 3 by 4 means 3 rows and 4 columns. Aij is equal to modulus of 3i minus 2j upon I squared plus j. Be careful about the substitution, right? Construct a 2 by 2 matrix Aij, where Aij is equal to I minus 2j, the whole squared upon 2. I minus 2j whole squared upon 2. Okay? Well, now I would like to talk something now. Remember that. Okay? Can you see me now? Okay. Well,